The David, Florida Laboratory, located in Ottawa, Canada, is the country's national spacecraft assembly, integration, and testing center. Operated by the Canadian Space Agency, the David, Florida Laboratory provides state-of-the-art facilities where satellites and space instruments are prepared for launch. Here, engineers carry out vibration, thermal vacuum, and acoustic tests to ensure spacecraft can survive the harsh conditions of space. The lab has supported missions like the RadarSat, NeoSat, and contributions to the International Space Station, making it a cornerstone of Canada's space program. By combining precision engineering with rigorous testing, the David, Florida Laboratory helps Canada play a reliable role in space exploration. Thanks for watching.